Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fortune Catalyst in Anime Vanguard. Fortune Catalyst is a powerful game mechanic that can significantly influence your matches. It's not just another card. It's a strategic tool designed to shift momentum or create new opportunities. Mastering its use can elevate your gameplay, allowing you to outmaneuver opponents and secure victories more consistently. Let's dive into what it is and how it works. Getting your hands on a Fortune Catalyst is the first step. These valuable assets are typically acquired through various in-game activities. Keep an eye on special events, as they often feature catalysts as exclusive rewards. Don't forget to check your daily and weekly quests, as completing these can also grant you access to new catalysts. Sometimes, special booster packs might even include them.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Anime Vanguard content. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Activating your Fortune Catalyst at the right moment is key. Most catalysts have specific conditions that must be met before they can be played, such as having a certain number of cards in your hand or a particular unit on the field. Pay close attention to the card text for these requirements. Once conditions are met, you usually activate it during your main phase, and its powerful effect takes hold. Strategic deployment of your Fortune Catalyst can turn the tide of a battle. Think about using it to disrupt your opponent's plans, or to set up a devastating combo with your other cards. Always assess your current game state, including your hand and the units on the field, before activating. Premature activation can waste its potential, so patience and precise timing are often rewarded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.